everyone. So today we're going to be doing problem of the day. I'm going to model one for you every week, and then the rest of the week you're going to be working on your own problems of the day. Okay, so our first one today is there are 28 students in the gym. There are 7 cones for the students to sit at. Each cone must have an equal amount of students. How many students will be at each cone? So remember, we want to read our question 3 times, or 2 or 3 times, just to make sure that we are able to pull out our information. So let's read it one more time and let's start pulling out our information. So there are 28 students. So we want to make sure that we circle our number 28 students in the gym. There are 7 cones for the students to sit at. So 7 might be an important number. I'm sorry, my dog's totally in the way. Each cone must have an equal amount of students. So a keyword would probably be equal, right? Because that tells us that we need our equal groups. And then we want to make sure to underline our question. How many students will be at each cone? Okay, so now we want to set up our UPSC check. So let's set it up. Okay, and what do we understand? We understand that there's 28 students. There are 7 cones. And then we want to also write down our sentence, or our question. So how many students will be at each cone? We want to do this, that way we know exactly what is being asked of us. Okay, then we want to show how would we solve it. So if we need an equal group, then we automatically know that it's going to probably be division. So we're going to be dividing. Remember, I tell you want to write how many steps it is. So it's a 1-step problem. And what are we going to be dividing? 28 divided by 7. And that's going to give us our total number of students at each cone. Okay, then we want to go to solving it. So 28 divided by 7. Okay, we're going to do the bar model, but remember, you can also do your, you can do your arrays, you can do your repeated subtraction. So we're going to use the bar model, okay? Since I don't have any manipulatives, but if you do, you can use cereal, you can use goldfish, you can use anything to use as a manipulative, but we're going to do the bar model. So it's 1, I want to make sure 7 equal bars, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll just check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we need to divide 28 equally into 7 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So we can see here that there's going to be 4 students at each cone because they're equal groups of 4. So 28 divided by 7 is 4. You want to make sure that you write your statement. So the question asks how many students will be at each cone. There will be 4 students at each cone. You want to make sure that you are writing your statements, guys, because that proves to me that you know what you did and you know what the answer is. And then we're going to check it. So if we're dividing, we're going to check it by multiplying. So it'll be 7 times 4. And I'm going to use repeated addition, but you can use, again, arrays or drawing pictures, however you want to do it. But we're going to do repeated addition. So I'm going to do 7 plus 7, and that's going to give me 14. 14 plus 7. 21, and then 21 plus 7 is 28. You want to make sure that you've added 7 4 times. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 28 is our answer, which is the same number that we were dividing up here. So that means that we did a great job, and we are done. You want to make sure that you're showing every step that you do on the paper that your parents take a picture of, and that you're able to fully explain to me how you solve the problem.